A blonde got caught in a blizzard. It was snowing heavily and blowing to the point that visibility was almost zero when the little blonde got off work. The blonde made her way to a car and wondered how she would make it home. She sat in her car while it warmed up and thought about her dilemma. She finally remembered her dad's advice that if she got caught in a blizzard, she should wait for a snowplow to come by and follow it. That way she would not get stuck in the snowdrift. This realization made her feel much better, and sure enough, a snowplow went by in a little while and she started to follow it. She felt smug following the snowplow, no longer having any problem with the awful blizzard conditions. After some time had passed, she was somewhat surprised when the snowplow stopped and the driver got out, came back to her car and signalled for her to roll down her window. The snowplow driver wanted to know if she was all right, as she had been following him for a long time. She said she was fine and told him her dad's advice to follow a snowplow when caught in a blizzard. The driver replied that it was okay with him and she could continue following if she wanted, but he was done with the Walmart parking lot and was going over to the Kmart one next.